Hello friends, many of the times I personally feels engineer must love game of numbers. So based on that, today I'll show you one magic tricks of card and we will crack it by using engineering. So let me tell you one very interesting story, and this magic trick of card is based on that story only. So before 387 years, there was one queen, and that queen was having age of 64 years, and she was having two sons. One son was Jack and one was King. Age of Jack was 19 years and age of King was 5 years. Now see, based on this story, I'll explain you how magic trick is there. So what I'll be doing is I'll be taking 13 cards and I'll shuffle that randomly, and then I'll show you next part of this magic trick. So let me shuffle cards randomly. Now I'm going to shuffle this card randomly. You see, I'm shuffling this card randomly, right? So there are total 13 cards that I need to shuffle. Now I'm just shuffling these cards for some random time. Now let me show these cards to you. So if you observe the order of this card, then that is as per the story which I have told you. Now you might be thinking like there is no such magic, but let me initiate magic from here, right? Now you can see I have told you the story. Before 387 years, one queen was of age of 64 years, having two sons. One is Jack and one is King. Jack is having age of 19 years and King is of age of 5 years, right? So that is how this story is there. Now let us begin the magic here. So now you see this card. Now that I'm just showing you one by one. So you see spelling of one, that is O-N-E. After that you will be observing this is one. Spelling of two is T-W-O. After that you will be having two. Spelling of three is T-H-R-E-E. So now we have 3. Then F-O-U-R, we have 4. Then F-I-V-E, then we have 5. Then S-I-X, we have 6. Then S-E-V-E-N, so that is 7. Then E-I-G-H-T, so this is 8. N-I-N-E, so we have 9. Then T-E-N, we have 10. Then we have Jack, so for that J-A-C-K, so we have Jack. Then we have Queen, so Q-U-E-E-N, so now we have Queen, and last one is King. So you might be wondering how these cards are coming in this sequence, right? 1 to K. So that is happening as per cryptography. So cryptography, that is an engineering which is we are using it for security. So now let me show you how we provide ciphering of this arrangement of this cards in sequence, so that you can have this from 1 to K in sequence, right? See, you can send this data in any order. It is your wish, right? By using cryptography we can arrange it. So let me show you cryptography arrangement, which is what engineering I was talking about. So now by using cryptography, I'll explain you how we can form that order of cards. So here I'm having 13 cards. You can see and I'll show you how we need to provide ordering with respect to iterations. So you see here I'll give first iteration over here. Now as I have explained, first we will be talking about spelling of number. So here O-N-E, that is what the spelling. After that number 1 will come. So that is what card A, which we will be having it over here. After that T-W-O, so 2 will come here, and that card that we need to place it over here. Then 3 is there, so T-H-R-E-E, 3 is there. Now we need to provide second iteration. So in second iteration we just need to eliminate these locations, and 3 number that will come here, and that card that we need to arrange it over here. After that 4 is there, so F-O-U-R, and then 4 number that I need to place it over here, and card will be there at this location. Now after that 5 is there, so F-I-V-E, and number 5 that I need to place it over here. Now in next iteration you will be observing we need to eliminate these locations, right? And next number is 6, so S-I-X, 6 number that I need to place it over here. Then S-E-V-E, and now for next I need to have another iteration, that is iteration number 4, and in that I just need to eliminate locations which are already filled, and S-E-V-E-N that will be over here, and 7 that is over here, so I need to place 7 here. Then E-I-G-H-T, right? And now next iteration that we need to do. So in next iteration, now you see this location is getting eliminated, and 8 number that will come here, so 8 that I'll be placing it over here. Now N-I-N-E, so 9 number will come here, so 9 card will be available here. And then we need to have next iteration, so iteration 6. In that these are the available locations which we have, and for number 10 T-E-N, and number 10 that is coming here, so 10 card that is over here. Now in next iteration, for iteration 7 only 3 cards are remaining, and next card after 10 will be Jack, so J-A-C and then K, and after that Jack card that I need to place over here. So you see I have placed Jack card. Now see for next iteration only 2 cards that we need to place. So in next iteration what I will be doing is, here I have placed Jack card, so Q-U-N-E-E-N, so here I need to place Queen, and remaining card that will be K. Now if you see the part of my story where I have told story as per this sequence only, right? And this sequence that we can prepare it with respect to cryptography, and this is what ciphering methodology which is there in engineering, right? So here I have arranged sequence from number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to king, right? But you can have this for any random numbers for cryptography, and you can send message securely. So thank you my dear students for watching this video. If you want few more videos which is explaining you importance of engineering, then please do write in comment box. I'll be definitely make sure this type of videos will come on this channel. Thank you so much.